It is true. She is the mother of whole creation. She is the goddess of power, beauty, and grace. We humans worship her with a nine swaroop of name, fame, health, wealth, happiness, humanity, education, bhakti, and shakti. That's why it is said, ऐगिरिनन्दनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हे सिद्धिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूर्कुटुम्बिनि भूर्कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Happy Navratri.